So this is the fourth part of the July current affair, and this video will be end of month of July, and make notes of it. And these questions, if you have watched my earlier videos, it will come by combination of all the first, second, third video. None of the questions of the month of July regarding the current affair of the competitive exam is left out. Okay, so all the questions have been covered. Indian naval ship inducted passage exercise with which navy USS Nimitz carrier in Andaman and Nicobar Island in Indian Ocean. So it's the USA Navy, and what it is called? It called passage exercise. Passage exercise. Okay. Pradhan Nyaya Yojana commenced in which state? So it has been commenced in the state of Chhattisgarh. Lalaji Tandon passed away, who was the governor of which state? He was serving as the governor of Madhya Pradesh. Which country launched SpaceX successful first military satellite? So South Korea has launched this military satellite. The capital is Seoul. Researchers from Singapore found sea cockroach in which city? So they have detected and discovered in Indian Ocean. Which country first time conducted test of MGI D20 gas turbine engine by 3D printing? It's by Russia. Which Asian country is planning case against European Union on restriction of palm oil biofuel? Okay, so which of the following Asian country? And the country name is Malaysia. Okay, who is recently appointed as BJP Whip Chief of Rajya Sabha? So they are two persons, so you can guess the option B is correct. Pratap Shukla and Rakesh Singh. They are appointed as a whip in Rajya Sabha. World first ever hydropower plant consists of turbine hidden in shaft of Luzach river in which country? So it's in Germany. From the river point of view, you can guess the answer is Germany only. International Union Railway Paris nominated Director General of Railway Protection Force as Vice Chairman of Security Platform. Who is he? So he has been serving in the most important places, and he is Arun Kumar. Remember, he was appointed as the Director General of the Railway Protection Force (RPF) last year only. A scheme launched under the name of the Arun Jaitley as welfare scheme. So what is about is the Secretariat of Rajya Sabha. Secretariat of Rajya Sabha. Karnataka Legislature Council get Governor of Community as first lawmaker named. So who is he? He is Santaram Buddha Siddhi. Santarana Buddha Siddhi. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports signed statement of intent with Yuva. Okay. And it's the multi-stakeholder platform by UNICEF to promote volunteerism. Which railway zone will launch the first Carbo Express? So it's South Central Railway Zone, and Indian Railway having the 18 zone total, which are spread across the India. And earlier video, the video 3rd of March July, the South Central Railway Zone was often asked in the question. Okay, so remember the South Central Railway Zone are, the questions are different but the answer is same in most of the cases. Haryana launches in the question, earlier question, South Central Railway Zone, the headquarter of it is in Kancheguda, that I have already told you in the July 3 part. I will be telling you the extra information that it covers the state of Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh along with Karnataka. So the fourth state are in the South Central Railway Zone. Okay. Coming to the next question. Haryana launches a portal for digital platform to help people to take online appointment called what? So the name of the portal is e-Sachivalaya portal. Answer A. Option A. COVID-19 Law Lab launched a strong legal framework to manage coronavirus across group. So WHO, Henrietta Ford, Director General, headquarters is in Geneva. The maternal mortality rate declined to what? It has been declined to 113. Okay, and it is for 2016 to 18. India, along with which other countries, signed contract for setting up the neighborhood fish process plant. So the neighboring countries is Maldives. Which bank released the financial stability report that reflects the collective statement of the community? So the bank is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The governor of RBI is Shakti Kant Das. He is the 25th governor of RBI. Ranked third spot of country that came forest area in 10 decades. So which are referring to India, and the report is by the FRA. And what is the full form of this abbreviation? It's the Forest Resource Assessment. First mega food park inaugurated in Mizoram by Food Processing Minister, and in which okay, it was inaugurated in Mizoram. The answer is Mizoram, and the options are written wrong here. So it has been inaugurated by which minister? Okay, so the minister is Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Harsimrat Kaur Badal. He is a food processing minister. The state of Uttar Pradesh launched Yojana for all-round development of scheduled caste. So Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana is by the state of Uttar Pradesh for scheduled caste development. India ranked in World Federation of Direct Selling Association. India has been positioned at 15th place by WFDSA. Which ministry launched Mano Darpan initiative for psychological support? So Ministry of HRD, Human Resource Development. Now it is known as Education Ministry, run by the chairman, Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, and it is for the students. Which personality awarded with the first Gulbenkian Prize of Humanity? So it has been backed by Greta Thunberg. Sweden environment activist. Who is he? Sweden environment activist. ICC recently postponed upcoming T20 Men's World Cup to be held in which country? It will take place in the Australia, and it will be started in 18th of October. Which country is the fastest growing country in the South Asia region? It's Pakistan, and report is by the US organization. This report, okay, which country is the fastest growing report has been by the US organization that the Pakistan is the fastest growing country. For the conservation of the turtles, a number of conservation agencies launch mobile application, and it is Kurma, the name of the application, mobile application, which is the fastest city to get crucial India Green Building Council certification from the Raj Smart City. So it is none other than Rajkot. Who is being appointed as the honorary advisor to the steering committee for BRICS? So she is Tina Dabi. Remember Tina Dabi? She was having the first rank AIR1 in UPSC IAS. Okay, and Asar Hamid, he was having the second rank in UPSC. So she is having the made as the honorary advisor, and it is for the BRICS CII. What is the full form of it? It is Chamber for Commerce and Industry. Chamber for Commerce and Industry. World first sea cucumber conservation reserve set up on which island? So it's on the Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital. United Nations 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize was Mariana Vardiano Yanis. Okay, she bagged the prize, and she's from Greece. Okay. India first electric vehicle charging plaza for public inaugurated in New Delhi, and it was inaugurated by the Minister for Power and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh. LIC and which bank after amalgamation with Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank announced corporate agency distribution to LIC policies. It is the Union Bank of India. Bollywood actor Sonu Sood launched a free online platform called What to help migrants find job opportunity in the country, and it's called Parvasi Rozgar. Rozgar is employment, and Parvasi is the migrants. So in Hindi, okay, the answer is uh, migrant employment. WTO General Council had granted which country as observer status? So Turkmenistan got this status, and the capital is Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. Kazakhstan is the capital is Nur Sultan. Okay. Uzbekistan, the capital is Tashkent, and Tajikistan, the capital is Sari, Sari. Punjab got first plasma bank at Patiala. Who is the first ace sprinter who became the first Indian track and field athlete to participate during COVID-19 running meet at Jamaica? Jamaica capital is Kingston, and Anamika Jaiswal backed it. Anamika Jaiswal. Which union territory announced that his government has approved Mukt Mantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana? So it's the UT of Delhi by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Indian conducted a successful test of the anti-tank guided missiles from integrated test range at Chandipur in Odisha, and it is Dhruvastra. Dhruvastra. Azad Pattern Project is a hydropower scheme on which river? It is on Jhelum River. Nobel Prize banquet cancelled for the first time since which year due to the coronavirus pandemic? So it has been cancelled in 1956. Okay, answer A. Which minister recently launched a website called www.restartindia.in for aiding the sector to start business across the country? So it has been started by the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari. Prime Minister effort to have My Government endeavour of government by maximum participation My Government initiative completed in how many years? It is 6 years. Option A. Newly appointed Health Secretary under the Union Health Ministry. Who is he? He is Rajesh Bhushan. And please don't confuse with the Prashant Bhushan. He is a senior advocate in Supreme Court, and he is a lawyer and activist. And Ashok Bhushan is the current Justice of Supreme Court. Prior to his appointment, he was the judge of the Allahabad High Court, and he was the same judge who was the part of the Ayodhya judgment, the 5-judge bench. And Rajesh Bhushan is the IAS officer of 1987 batch. Ministry of the Human Resource Development has the set of the guidelines so that the most students can study in India. Chairperson of the committee is whom? So he is the chairperson as same of UGC, University Grant Commission. And who is he? He is DP Singh. The name of the is important, not the chairman of UGC. DP Singh. And UPSC, the current chairman is PK Joshi. PK Joshi. Which country successfully launched first Mars probe using Mars 5 rocket? So it's China, and aimed is at orbit, land and revolve in a single mission. The aim of this probe. Which football team recently won the Football Premier League trophy? It has been won by Liverpool. It has been cheered. The Liverpool is by Tom Werner. Which country announced funding for the pilot project with charitable organization that Starvation Army run World First Solar Energy? It is Australia, and it is called as ARENA. ARENA. Research in the UK and Germany, world first human-made non-cuttable material called what? It has been called as Proteus. Proteus. Who is recently appointed as the chairman of the Technology Advisory Committee on NEFA, National Financial Reporting Authority, the full form of this abbreviation, and Professor R. Narayan Swamy is appointed as the head of the Technical Advisory Committee. Under the Committee Act, the Committee Act was passed in the year 2013. Which institute will be going to set up the first net zero campus? It is by the Calcutta, IIM Calcutta. Putta Paka Ketelia got geographical indication tag GI tag from which state? It has been got GI tag from state of Telangana. What was electrified rail tunnel fit to run in western dedicated freight corridor in which state? The state is Haryana. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare inaugurated world class state and testing lab in which city is Anand? Anand in Gujarat. Anand is also known as the milk capital of India. Dr. Verghese Kurian is the father of milk revolution, and Vadodara twin capital. Vadodara twin capital is Anand. Remember this also. Which corporation of India recently launched its first one-stop fintech payment solution UPI? It is National Payment Corporation of India NPCI. The chairman is Dilip Asbe. World most valuable company after market capitalization sealed to record height over 14 lakh crore is Reliance. It taken overtake ExxonMobil. Which city has been ranked as 16 among the top 20 surveilled city in the world? Surveilled city of the world is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is also known as the city of Nizam. Agra is known as the Taj Nagari due to the Taj Mahal. Pune is regarded as the most livable city. Okay. Allahabad is the city of Prime Minister, also known as Prayagraj. Which country Prime Minister launched Jet Zero Council to tackle aviation emission as an step to tackle climate change? Is UK, and it is by the UK Prime Minister.